All right, you're hanging out at the lake, right? But Friday night is pizza night, right? So, get you one of these. Listen, I got this 14-inch camp stove, almost specifically so I could use this pizza oven. Like I said, Friday night is pizza night at my house. So, but when I was looking into it, I really didn't see a whole lot on videos. I didn't, you know, I saw a couple of reviews online about the full-size one. So, first time I got it out here, figured I'd take a look at it. We're going to throw together a pizza real fast. We're going to toss it in here. Some things I noticed so far, really, like we're at just over 400 degrees. And we're probably about halfway up that's jiggly, so, you know, you give or take halfway in there. Pretty much I think that's about 200, somewhere at about 400. All the way up gets about 650 maybe, sometimes like that. So, what I did was I slapped together a little pizza, some little sauce, a couple little pre-made crusts. You could probably do a frozen pizza. I mean, if you want to bring fresh dough, maybe you got a boboli, something along those lines, probably work just fine. So let's pop around in here and see what's going on. See if we can do this without dropping it. All right, like 5 minutes in. Let's check it out. Should be ready to come out here. Yeah, we are looking pretty good in there. You can't see that till. There we go. That's puller. Let's see. Yeah, see, that looks good. Take a look at the crust. Looking fine. Now, that's one thing I was going to do earlier. All right, so it did make it up to about 500, 550, 500 degrees on the slab in there, 485. All right, 14-inch Camp Chef strapped to an Explorer Camp Chef. All right, let's give it a try.